Ramp versus Bill.com versus Mercury, which bank is better? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Ramp, Bill.com and Mercury. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Ramp. Ramp is a corporate card and spend management platform designed for businesses. It offers features like automated expense reporting, real time spending insights, and savings recommendations. It integrates with various accounting tools and helps streamline financial operations. Pros of Ramp include unlimited 1.5% cashback, no fees, fast approvals, and robust expense tracking. It also provides insights to cut unnecessary spending. Cons include limited banking features since it's not a full bank and it's mostly geared towards US based businesses with a good credit background. Next is Bill.com. Bill.com is a financial operations platform that focuses on accounts payable and receivable automation. It helps businesses manage invoices, payments, and cash flow. It integrates with major accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero. Pros include automation of billing workflows, secure payments, and easy syncing with accounting tools. It's ideal for businesses with a high volume of transactions. Cons include a more complex setup for user fees, and it's not a banking service, it's purely focused on payment workflows. Now let's talk about Mercury. Mercury is a digital banking platform designed for startups and tech companies. It offers FTIC insured checking and savings accounts, virtual and physical debit cards, and API access for custom integrations. Pros include no monthly fees, modern interface, strong integrations with payment and accounting platforms, and easy international wire transfers. Cons include no cash deposits, limited physical presence, and it's only available to US based companies. So that's basically the main differences between Ramp, Bill.com, and Mercury, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.